Just another face in the crowd, trying hard but I'm not proud. Wandering through streets so loud, where do I fit in this big shroud? Echoes of a life gone by, people pass me without a sigh. I scream but no one hears my cry. All I want is to know why. Lost in the noise, can't find my way, searching for a place to stay. Running from the light of day, in this world where we all play. Shadows trace and memories fade. In the light I'm so afraid, secluded in this masquerade, wishing for a beacon's aid. Reflections I don't recognize, hidden truths